What is up, guys? Welcome to the 9 University channel. Today what I want to talk about is barcodes. Barcodes are everywhere. They're on every product you see in any store. They are how you track the sales for products in any Target, Walmart, online, whatever it is, guys. UPC codes are the main source of tracking products that are sold anywhere in the world, okay? Every single product has a different UPC code unless it is the exact same product, okay? And what I mean by that is a 6-pack of Coke has the same UPC as another 6-pack of Coke, okay? But if it's a 6-pack of Coke versus a 2-liter of Coke, there are 2 separate UPC codes that are used to sell that product, okay? Now, a lot of people ask, what's the difference between an EAN and a UPC code? Well, there's not much of a difference, actually. The only difference is that an EAN code has 13 digits and a UPC code only has 12 digits. Other than that, there's really not much of a difference, guys. So when you want to sell things on Amazon, right, what you have to do is get a UPC code for that product. But what happens is when you type in that UPC code for your product on Amazon, when you're creating your listing, what it's going to do is change that UPC code to an FNSKU, which is a fulfillment network stock keeping unit. Okay, now that's a whole mouthful, but what an FNSKU does is be able to help Amazon track products directly inside of their warehouses. Okay, now what a UPC code does is it gives a product your brand name. Okay, it gives you your brand. So if you have a UPC code on your product, that's going to sell for your brand, because if someone else is selling the exact same product but they have a different UPC code, it's going to go to their brand instead of yours. Okay, so what happens is you get a UPC code for your product in general, and then you get an FNSKU that you put on every single labeled box that you get to sell on Amazon. Okay, that FNSKU is going to directly promote that one single product, okay? When this UPC transfers to an FNSKU on Amazon for your products, what's going to happen is it's able for Amazon to track those products individually throughout their warehouses and send them to the right places that they need to go, okay? So if someone clicks and buys your product on Amazon right now, that FNSKU knows that it's going to that warehouse for that customer delivered to that door, okay? So that's how they base it off of. A UPC is just knowing that your product is here on Amazon, okay? But the FNSKU is actually the barcode being sold to the person for that product. So I sort of went into the variations earlier when I talked about 6-packs versus 2 liters. You do need 2 separate UPC codes, okay? So a lot of people on Amazon, they do have variations of products, okay? So let's say you're selling a black iPhone case, okay? This one's transparent, but all right, so you're selling a transparent case, okay? But you also want to sell a white case, a black case, a brown case, a yellow case, a purple case, whatever it is. You're going to need different UPC codes for every single variation. So a lot of people on Amazon also want to bundle products, okay? Let's say you have a case for an iPhone, but you don't have anything else to give it. Maybe you put a screen wipe thing, a screen cloth onto the product as well as the case, okay? What you're gonna need to do is get a UPC code for the case, get a UPC code for the cloth, and then get a UPC code for them both together, okay? And this is a way for Amazon to be able to track them all individually, but also track if people buy the bundle, all right? So that's just the easiest way to explain it if you need UPC codes for bundling your products on Amazon. So now I just wanna talk real quick where to buy and where not to buy your Amazon barcodes from. Now, Amazon says that you need to get GS1 approved barcodes, okay? And there is a website called gs1.org, okay? And they actually give you barcodes. It's kind of expensive. They tell you not to use third-party sites, but there are a lot of reliable third-party sites like Nationwide Barcodes or Barcodes Mania, okay? So make sure you go and check those 2 out. You can get them for a lot cheaper than going to gs1.org, okay? Now, just to be aware, guys, your listing does have to be created before you can actually put your product live on Amazon and get it shipped and all that kind of stuff. So you need your UPC code in the beginning when you're creating your listing. You don't have to know what product you're selling. You can go in and change the title and all that kind of stuff, but you do have to go buy a UPC code to be able to put a listing up on Amazon, and later on you can go change the title, bullet points, and all that kind of stuff. But guys, just a quick run through real quick, okay? UPC codes are a universal code. They can be used everywhere in the world, okay? Every single product in the world has the UPC barcode, okay? They do. But if you're selling different variations, you do have to get different UPC codes for that. If you're selling the same product, you do not have to get different UPC codes. But variations, bundles, all that kind of stuff, you do have to get more. But Amazon does use FNSKUs for their products to be able to help understand inside of Amazon's data that they know what products are being bought and sold. Guys, I really hope this video helped you understand what barcodes you need for your Amazon business, but I do want you to check this video out here, which is talking about optimizing your listing on Amazon, guys. Go check it.